Okay, so here's a project in San Rafael that, like all projects, starts with a clarity plan. And that clarity plan, we do the more Matterport scan. That's what you're looking at now. And clearly, we talked about the idea of taking this wall down, and we noticed the ceiling is lower. That ceiling needs to match the ceiling in the living room for certainty. The door is in the wrong location, a window in the corner, this window, these were all in bad locations for the kitchen layout. It's a relatively small kitchen, so it needed some space plan for sure. Notice the refrigerator sticking out into the space. And then in the kitchen itself, you'll notice that that window, that door, those were all not right. And that needed to go away. Obviously, this door was in the wrong spot, so we put the washer and dryer in the corner and it made the entrance difference, and then make this whole wall be for the stove, as you'll see. So take a look at the after and see what you think. Okay, here is the after shots of this kitchen. Turned out beautiful. This is a Palomino cabinet. Notice how the cabinet has no lock latches on it. It's all push-pull. Little cute little cubby hole there with a little aftermarket piece. Kind of cool. You notice how the under-counter lights. And this kitchen is, we recessed that refrigerator back to flush up those cabinets so you can take it's a Sub-Zero, but it's made to, we had to work it out to make it flush, but it's very, very cool that it's flush like that. That door goes out of the basement, couldn't change that. The oven wall used to be on the other wall, so we moved it. Get it over here. Real simple layout. Then we moved that door, moved that window, installed the window. The ceiling is all raised. Used to be a flat ceiling in here. I mean, it's a very simple layout, very simple details. Notice how it's got the corner cabinet here, which is really cool. So this comes out. I've talked to a lot of people about that detail. That is quite a nice cabinet. It had a very limited room, so we put it right there. Let's see here, end panels, backside of here. Notice the depth of that cabinet. These are all usable drawers on this side. So there is a beautiful kitchen, and now I'm gonna show you the bathroom next as well. In the master vanity, wall hung vanity. Notice the drawers. Beautiful. I love that countertop sink. Swinging around. Barrier-free shower with an infinity drain. Deco tiles has the black on the glass door with the black backsplash in the niche. So easy bathroom, but pretty cool.